In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove a customer in Zoho Books, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're tidying up your customer list or managing changes in your client base, this process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to access your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, the central hub where you can manage your entire financial landscape. This dashboard provides a quick snapshot of your company's financial health and gives you easy access to any section of Zoho Books you need. Next, you're going to locate and click on the Sales option. You'll find this in the main navigation menu, which is usually positioned at the top of the screen. By clicking on Sales, you're taking a step closer to managing your client records, specifically diving into the area where all your sales transactions and customer information reside. After you've accessed the sales section, the next move is to click on Customers. Clicking here opens the heart of your customer data, presenting you with a list of all the clients currently in your system. This is where you can view detailed profiles, sales histories, and any transactions associated with each customer. With the customer list in front of you, the next task is to select the customer you intend to delete. Be sure to take a moment here, scroll through your list, or use the search bar if needed to find the exact profile you want to modify. This attention to detail ensures you're handling the correct data, crucial when managing customer information. Once you've identified the customer, you'll see the More Actions button typically situated towards the right of the customer's name or profile details. Clicking this button opens a drop-down menu offering various options for customer account management. From the drop-down menu, find and click on the Delete option. Zoho Books will then ask you to confirm your choice to ensure that no accidental deletions occur. It's an important safety step, so you'll want to double-check that this is indeed the action you wish to take. Once you've confirmed, the system will proceed to delete the chosen customer. It's worth noting that deleting a customer will remove all associated data and their record will no longer be available in your customer list. This might affect any ongoing transactions or financial reports, so it's always a good idea to ensure this customer no longer requires records in your system. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a customer in Zoho Books. Remember to regularly review your customer list to maintain a clean and efficient database. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other guides for more tips on effectively managing your business with Zoho Books.